Hello everyone, so today is a very exciting video because we're taking the Ford Focus into Max to do the diffuser, back box and new tips. So let's see the before and after and let's go. So the diffuser is from Maxton Design. It was the day I got it, but the tips will be from the garage itself. So this is the before by looks, and obviously we're gonna give it a listen, but this is the way it came stock. This is her all dropped off, and I'm so excited to see her after. Let's have a look one more time about the before, and also I'm gonna put side by side what it is now and what it was. I'm very happy with it, and the garage did an amazing job, so thank you. As a bonus thing, I was going to put a spoiler on it too, and we were messaging with the seller and they said it was compatible, but when it arrived, it actually wasn't. I think I can still make it work, but as you can see, it is not a great fit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.